Well, it's summertime, which means opening up your pool and finding out that your pump doesn't work. Here I have a broken motor, probably because there was a water leak from a leaking impeller. So I'm going to show you how to remove the impeller and reinstall the motor. So I took the motor off from the pump housing, and this is the diffuser, which comes off. Notice that there's a designation for the top that you need to place properly, which goes on the motor where it also says top. We're going to need to replace this gasket, which we'll do at the end. So you notice that the impeller has to get unscrewed, but the shaft rotates. So we need to freeze the shaft so we can remove the impeller. This motor is disassembled in the back, and you can see that there is a flat end to the shaft. So you can work a 7/16 wrench in, rotating the shaft so you can get this in. And then you would be able to rotate and unscrew your impeller from here. So in order to unscrew this, I need to freeze the shaft so I can turn it counterclockwise. So I'm going to put a screwdriver in and get it in. So this is to tighten it. So now I have to unscrew it. Now if it's frozen and you can't get this off, use something to gently put a clamp around without breaking the plastic. And I mean gentle, because you don't want to break it there. So I would put something like this around, put it on, and then you could gently turn it and then unscrew. Once the impeller's off, take this off, and then you're going to unscrew the frame. I reassembled this just to demonstrate, but it's important to know what the top of the motor is. In this case, you want the solid metal on top so rain doesn't get in through the air vent. So I'm going to work my wrench in the back here. Just kind of gently work it in. Rotate the shaft. Now it's locked in place. Take out the old seal. Clean the inside. A little kit that I purchased. There's all the parts that we need. Ceramic side will be up. I'm going to put a little bit of lube around the edges here. Don't need too much. Gently place that in. And that's set. Going to remove the old other part of the seal. This is the metal side, which is going to go down on this end. So this is the new one. Metal side down. Just some gentle rotation to get it in place. Now at the top of the motor should be the solid part of the plate. We don't want water getting in through these grills here. So this is designated top. And that's going to go here. Just simple little drill. You don't want to go too tight and strip. So this end goes on where it says top. It should fit right in place. Screw the impeller. I've got my wrench holding it in place. Just hand tight. I need to replace the gasket here. This end is marked top here. So now we're ready to put the motor and attach it to the pump itself, the pump housing. I'm going to take out the old gasket here. Take our new gasket. Put some more lube on. Now we're going to insert the pump, top end on top. I'm only going to go so far. I'm not going to really crank this down. I'll do the final screwings with a wrench. Now the moment of truth to see if it works. The moment of truth. Looks like it's working.